Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can you reply to the notes on Instagram. So first of all you have to open your Instagram first, and you can see that this is my own personal account and the second account is for my YouTube channel. Let me guide. So I just want to show you that how can we reply to the notes on Instagram. So like I switch to my personal account. Now open my messenger on Instagram, and you can see that here is an option of leave a note. Just click on the plus option here, and like I leave a note here, hello everyone, and then just click on the share option here. You can see that it has been added to note. So how can I reply to this note directly from the other channel? So just wait and watch that how can we do this. So just click on the notes here like this, then you can send any reply. Like I am sending an emoji here like this, and you can see that a notification has been sent to my personal account that LMG has replied to my note. So just I open my messenger here, and you can see that this emoji has been added to my messenger. Guys, that's an easy way to reply to the notes added onto your Instagram account. So I hope you all like this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Leave a comment below if you have any question related to this topic. Thanks for watching.